inclusive urban development in Indonesia, and I think Pak Hasim is also very interested in this area. I think just a little bit of a context. Indonesia's national vision for inclusive urban development seeks to bridge the gap between the major cities and the emerging secondary regions. And here we have France itself has got its vision for global priorities in sustainable development, smart cities, and equitable access to public services. So as strategic partners, both nations can harness their complementary strength to build inclusive, resilient, and people-centered urban developments. I think just two things. First, in terms of the long-term France-Indonesia collaboration, I think first in the healthcare investment for urban equity. France has global leadership in public health systems, hospital management, and medical technology that presents a vital opportunity to support our urban health resilience. France can also co-invest in health infrastructure, build regional hospitals, mobile clinics, and telemedicine networks, especially in underserved secondary cities. Then we've got also the knowledge transfer and training from France to expand partnership between French medical universities, and this is Dallas, with all the technology can facilitate that, and Indonesian institutions to train local health professionals. And France is also have a lot of expertise in terms of PPP, public-private partnership. So that model can be lent to Indonesia to ensure that our sustainable financing for local urban health systems. So you've got healthcare, and then you've got education ecosystems for human capital uplift. So inclusive urban growth depends on skilled, educated populations that can strive in evolving economies. So we need to expand the French-Indonesian vocational hubs to co-develop vocational centers focused on urban resilience, green jobs, and digital services. We need to develop the digital learning platforms, partner on tech-enabled education to overcome access barriers in smaller urban areas, and then deepen the cultural and research exchanges between French university and Indonesia's, particularly Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, to stimulate innovation ecosystems. And on the smart infrastructure, you talked a little bit about that earlier. For tier urban transformation, France's leadership in transport, water, digital infrastructure can directly support Indonesia's smart city Nusantara agenda beyond Jakarta. Decentralized transport solutions, invest in clean mobility system for medium-sized cities, e-buses, integrated terminals, urban rail. Climate resilient utilities support smart water, energy, waste management projects, combining French technology with our local needs. And you mentioned a little bit about that too, about urban data and planning platforms. Develop city dashboards, sensors, AI systems in Bahasa Indonesia to empower local governance. And we need to think about the enabling conditions and bilateral frameworks. So to scale